How to change your account name on Phantom Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your account name on Phantom Wallet. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Phantom application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. On this home page, at the top left, you'll be able to see your account name. Tap on your account name and then it will take you to your account space. Here, you'll be able to see your account name and at the right side of it, you'll be able to see this pencil icon. Now, simply tap on this pencil icon to edit it. By doing so, now you will be taken to edit account page. In this page, here tap on this account name option and now in this editable field, you can erase your current account name and type in your desired new name. Tap on it and clear the current one. Now enter a new name. Once you have entered it, now simply come back and then here you'll be able to see you have successfully changed your account name. Now you can simply come back to the home page and then there at the top left you'll be able to see your newly updated account name. So this is how you can change account name on Phantom Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.